After nearly 8 years, the trial surrounding the gruesome murder of a Wichita woman is beginning to wrap up. Today was the 5th day of testimony regarding the Cornell McNeal trial. He is accused of raping, beating, and setting Letitia Davis on fire. KSN's Alexis Padilla is live in downtown Wichita with more. Alexis.
Jeff, before the defense rested their case, they called 8 people to the stand to testify. We were not allowed to record any video nor audio, with the exception for one detective. The jury heard from several members of McNeal's family, along with a man who was in the burn unit the same time of Davis. During that time, he says he called police to report a concerning conversation he heard when 3 men were visiting Davis in the hospital. He said one of them said, quote, "I can't believe my buddy did that." That led police to talk to Benny Bell. He's the brother of Marty Bell, who was dating Davis at the time. Benny testified today that the conversation in question was about an incident that happened to his wife's cousin decades before in Topeka. The defense questioned a former homicide detective on the case as to how much this lead was pursued.
Yeah, I could find no information referencing that.
Were you able to get any information on any burns she suffered?
Zero information on that.
Any I'm sorry, go ahead.
On that incident?
Any hospitalization records?
No.
You took him at his word?
I took a statement from him, yeah.
During cross-examination of another witness, the state did bring out an obituary for the woman in question who died just a couple years ago. The trial is expected to wrap up tomorrow morning with closing arguments. That begins at 9 a.m. Then the jury will have all the time they need to deliberate. Here for you in Wichita, Alexis Padilla, KSN News 3.